morning friends, myself Siddhama Prakash Reddy. Today I am going to discuss about the topic buoyancy force. Buoyancy force is a upward force which is acting on the body which is immersed in a fluid. The fluid may be gas or liquid, and to find out the buoyancy force we use the Archimedes principle, and which says that according to Archimedes principle buoyancy force is equals to the weight of the fluid displaced during the immersion of the body. And let's have a situation where a boy is trying to pull a stone from the well, and but the stone is too heavy, so boy is unable to pull it out from the well. And then he started thinking how to get the stone out of the well. Then suddenly he got an idea. He can use the buoyancy force to pull the stone out of the well. How? he uh, he poured some water into the well, so there comes the buoyancy force which helped him uh, to take the stone out of the well. Let's see how he done it. Let's say I have a tub with full of water. Now consider the fluid within the tub which is having the volume V, and let's say density of the fluid is rho. And now here consider the forces acting on the fluid which is we are considering. One force is in the downward direction, that is gravitational force. And see here, the fluid is not moving at all, so total forces sum must be equal to 0. Means, but here only one force is acting, so there must be another upward force which should encounter the gravitational force. Let we say that is buoyancy force. So as the fluid is at rest, the total upward forces must be equal to downward forces, that is buoyancy force must be equal to gravitational force. And gravitational force is, that is m times g, and here m is the weight of this one, so that is rho times volume, and rho is the density of the fluid and v is the volume of the fluid which we are considering. Now let's say I have same situation where I am changing this volume particle of the fluid with the real solid. Okay, now let's say this is density with rho s, that is density of the solid, and volume will be same. Now also the force is same. The buoyancy force will be rho times v times g, because in this case all the from where this buoyancy force is coming, this buoyancy force is coming from the remaining part of the liquid, which is rho times v times g. So here also buoyancy force will be same, that is whatever the weight of the liquid displaced. Let's see how we got that. And suppose if the solid is not fully immersed, let's say like this, in this condition only this amount of the water will be displaced outside. So actually v is the volume of the liquid displaced. Okay, so don't confuse with that. And finally we got buoyancy force is equal to rho times v times g. According to Archimedes principle, this is the only one. Okay, buoyancy force is the volume or weight of the liquid displaced. This is the Archimedes principle. Okay, so finally we end up with the equation, that is buoyancy force is equal to rho times v times g, where rho is the fluid density and v is the volume of the fluid displaced. Okay, and g is the gravity. And okay, coming back to our situation, how buoyancy force helped our boy. So When he is trying to lift the body alone, the weight is more. But when he pours some water into the well, now buoyancy force is in the upward direction, so it also helps in his way, in that direction only. So now he has to do less effort. This is how buoyancy force helped him. Okay, thank you.